Let's look at question number 7. It says a plus b under root of 3 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 52 plus 30 times of root 3. Correct. Now, if you expand this on the left hand side, it will turn out to be a square plus 3 times of b square plus of 2ab root over of 3. And on the right hand side, this value should be equals to 52 plus 30 root 3. Now, where a and b are natural numbers, you are looking at natural numbers. Okay. Now, this is important for us to understand because a and b then turns out to be integers that you are talking about. So, if you look at this part, this will be irrational, and that should be equals to the irrational part of this side also, right? Because the other two will be rational numbers, and over here the rational number turns out to be 52. So we effectively have got two equations which says a square plus 3b square must turn out to be equals to 52, and we have 2ab root over of 3 turning out to be equals to 30 times of root over of 3. So root over of 3 gets cancelled out and ab turns out to be equals to 15. A and b are natural numbers. Now, if you look at 15 and look at the factors of 15, your value of a and b can be 1 and 15. It can interchange also, so it can be 15 and 1, or it can be 3 and 5. That's what we are looking at, right? Apart from that, there are no other factors that we are looking at for 15. So 1, 3, and 15 turns out 1, 3, 5, and 15 turns out to be the factors of 15, right? Now, if you take 1 and 15 in any order, you will realize if you take a square as 1 square and b square as 15 square, it is not going to match. If you reverse it also, it is not going to match. So 1 and 15 are definitely not my pairs. If you look at 3 and 5, if you look at 5 square, which is 25, into 3, it will become 75. So b cannot be 5. So can b be equals to 3? Let's try to look at this. If b becomes equals to 3, then a becomes equals to 5. So this value will become 25 plus 3 times of 3 square, which is 9. Is it turning out to be equals to 52? Yes, 27 plus 25 is turning out to be equals to 52. So we now very clearly have our values of a as 5 and our value of b as 3. They are asking you what is the value of a plus b. A plus b turns out to be equals to 8, right? So that will be the answer for question number 7.